Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A 3-digit number which is a multiple of 17 is chosen at random. So what is the probability that it is also a multiple of 11? So let's write the first 3-digit number that is a multiple of 17. So here it is 102. So this is a 3-digit number and also it is a multiple of 17. Therefore we can say that the 3-digit number which is a multiple of 17 are. So 102 is the first term, so 119 is the second term. Because it is a multiple of 17, we are adding 17 and we are creating the progression. So 136, 153 and so on. And the last term that is a multiple of 17 and also a 3-digit number is 986. Therefore, we can say that the total number of terms in the above arithmetic progression having the first term as 102 and the common difference as 119 minus 102, that is 17, and the last term Tn as 986. We can find out the number of terms by using the general term of the arithmetic progression, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So let's substitute the value and obtain the value of n. Therefore, if we solve this, then we'll get the value of n as 58 minus 5, which is equal to 53. Now, the total number of ways we have calculated. Therefore, we can write this is our total number of ways. So, total number of ways here is the total number of terms that we have calculated above, which is equal to 53. Now, what we have to find out is, let's find the favorable number of cases. So the favorable number of cases is 3-digit numbers which are multiple of 11 and 17 both. So these are multiple of 7 and 17 and 11 both, that is we can say multiple of 11 multiplied by 17, which is equal to 187. So 187 is the first term, and again let's create the progression, that is 187, 374 will be the another term, the next term will be 561 and so on, and the last term will be 935, which is a 3-digit number and also divisible by 187 because it is a multiple of 187. Now, we can say that the number of terms in above arithmetic progression having the first term as 187, the common difference as 374 minus 187, that is equal to 187, and the last term Tn as 935. Now let's use the formula for the general term of arithmetic progression, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the values. So after substituting the value, we'll obtain the value of n. So the value of n is equal to 5. So this was our favorable number of ways. So favorable number of ways is 5. Why? Because favorable number is, we have to find the 3-digit number which are multiple of 13 and 17 both, because we have to find the probability that it is a multiple of 17 and also it is a multiple of 11. So this is our favorable number of case. Now we can find out the probability. So probability is equal to favorable number of ways divided by the total number of ways. So favorable number of ways is 5 and total number of ways we have calculated here, that is 53. So 53. 5 by 53 is our required answer. Let's check the option, which is option D. So we can say that our answer is option D.